How to delete a blog on Tumblr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can permanently delete a blog in Tumblr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the Tumblr app and it's updated to the latest version. You can easily do that from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've done that, you can open that up and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now what you can do is you can head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile, you will see all of your blog posts. After you find your blog posts, you can see your comments, your edit option, your shares and stuff like that. And right besides this edit option, you will see a trash icon. If you tap on that, you will get an option to delete that very blog post. And if you tap on delete, your post will get deleted. And that is how you can delete a blog post in Tumblr, and it's that simple. And yeah, that is all for this video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.